Okay, so just decided to do a quick little video because I've never done this, and we'll see how it goes, but hopefully it can help someone else. So the John Deere tractor here, lawn tractor, as you can see, has a little nail in it, and this is tubeless. I pulled it out, and of course it's hissing, air's coming out. I put the nail back in. Anyways, I've got this plug kit from Canadian Tire. Comes with three things. The little drill out, so I suppose you make the hole bigger and cleaner. And then it has this kind of little needle thread tool, and then comes with 5 individual plugs that you feed through the needle, plug it back up, and then cut off the excess. So it seems pretty simple and straightforward. I'm going to give it a go, and I'll let you know, and I guess we'll do this together and see what happens. Okay, so I'm going to pull out the nail again, and then use the kind of bore tool here, I suppose, to try and make the hole bigger and cleaner. So let's see what happens. Anyways, let's get the plug and the needle threaded, and we'll put it in. Use some needle nose pliers to pull it through. It's sticky, needs a little help to get through. So I guess the intent now is to plug the hole and then pull out the needle as quickly as you can, seal it off, see what happens. Okay, I don't know if I can get it in any deeper. And now, what I'm assuming is I just pull it out as quickly as I can, and the plug should stay. Let's see what happens. So good so far. Plug is in. No longer hissing. It's a good thing, and I'll just come back in a minute, and I don't know if that needs to sit for a while, but I'll cut off the excess there. So I cut off the excess plug there that hung out. Instead of a blade, I just used a pair of straight tin snips. Worked well. That's it. Pretty simple. Seems the plug is filled, no leak. I'll just do a pressure test and fill up the tire if I need to. And that's it. Hopefully that was helpful. Again, it comes as a little kit, certified Canadian Tire tubeless plug repair kit. Thanks.